how to fix this error on Valorant, easy and quick. If you want to fix this connection error, all you need to do first just type here device manager, and now just click display adapters, make sure to update all those drivers here, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Update network adapters and processors, and after that just go back and then open task manager, and after that just scroll down and make sure to turn off if you find here anything is related to Valorant, like Vanguard or Riot Games or something like that, like this one. Right click and click end task, and then restart your PC, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.